Okay, good.
Hi, this is part of our Waacking series for the first 4 videos that we had. If you haven't seen that, please go check out the other videos. This is Okanaka. She's
Hello.
from Japan.
Konnichiwa.
Yay!
Yay.
So we want to show you some isolation, some head isolation, hands and feet and hips and shoulder isolations with 4 bars. Okay, you could do this on your slow in your own pace or faster pace. Okay, check it out. Everybody, this is a progression for Waacking. This is the 5th video, so I'm putting together the arms and the footwork. And by the way, I'm on heels, wearing heels, feeling fierce. You could put on your heels too, it's your choice. But we're starting with the box step, starting with the left foot crossing, cross, and then step, back, and then cross again, and then cross again with the right foot. Combining it with the arm rolls. Do it as slow as you can first, going with the beat, or if you can't focus on the music yet, just focus on the movements in the beginning. It's gonna take a little while. If you don't watch my first videos, I want you to go into the previous videos that I did, and so you know how to isolate them and master it, so you could get back into this video and feeling more confident. Then we're gonna do it fast. If you're feeling confident, you can do it fast. Oops, I messed up a little bit there. Alright, here. So new one, we're gonna do the right, left, so alternating them. Yes. Right, left, going down. And then we're gonna add the footwork here. So we're gonna step to the side, go into the left first for 8 counts. And then going to the right with 8 counts, combining the arm rolls. Okay, just be careful, don't do this outside, make sure it's a flat surface that you're walking in. Alright, good job, bye. And repeat without me talking.
Let's be the change we want to see about. We are links in a chain. We are links in a chain. An important wagon on a moving train. In this we're all the same. We're links in a no matter which way you turn, you're among your peers. We are links in the chain.
Alright, that's it for now. So now you got all that isolation, how me and I showed you. Where can we find you?
Go find me on Instagram.
Me too! Instagram right here. So check that out, and please don't forget to subscribe, comments, likes. We want to hear everything that you want to do, so please keep in touch.
Have a good day.